everyone, welcome to this video. And in today's video, what I'd like to go over with you guys is simple WordPress troubleshooting, or some basic WordPress troubleshooting. So if you're running a site and the site is a WordPress site, or if you're not running it but you're paying to have someone run a WordPress website for you, a really good thing to do is to know some good basic troubleshooting steps, right? It doesn't matter if you're a developer. Like I said, you could just be someone who doesn't know a thing about WordPress, but you got a WordPress site that someone is running and administering for you. You should still have some really good basic troubleshooting steps to follow, because eventually, whether it's a WordPress website, whether it's a Drupal, whether it's Joomla, whether it's a website that's built by Python, it doesn't matter. Eventually, your website is going to run into problems, into errors, and a good thing for you to do is to learn some basic troubleshooting skills. So the first suggestion I would have for any and everybody is screenshots. Screenshot, screenshot, screenshot. If you don't know how to screenshot something, learn. Okay, it's very simple, it's very easy. It's a little different per operating system, whether you have Windows, Linux, or Mac. It's a little different. There are different tools out there that you can use. Doesn't matter. Find a tool, pick a tool, and use it. Okay. For most Windows users and Linux users, as far as I know, to do a screenshot, a simple one, is on your keyboard. You can press the shift and the Windows key and S, and that will allow you to do a screenshot, a real quick screenshot. It should show it on the screen here if I do it, but no, it doesn't look like it did. Let's see here. Oh, I'm sorry. It's going to be shift, control, and then the letter S. Okay, that's how you do a simple screenshot. I hope my video is picking that up. I'm on a Linux machine and that worked for me. Okay, and then if you don't want to do it, you want to get out of it, you can either press cancel or you can press escape on your keyboard and it's gone. So once again, to do a real quick screenshot, if you on your keyboard, if you press the shift key, the control key, and the letter S, and then you can go ahead and choose your spot that you want to screenshot, and you can go ahead and screenshot it. Okay? If you have an error, that's the best thing to do, is to go ahead and screenshot it. Because as I say, even if you yourself is not going to fix it, if you have that available for your developer, it'll be that much quicker for him to resolve it. And you do want him to resolve it quickly, especially if you're paying him. All right, you want him to go ahead and resolve it quickly. So the next thing that I want to go ahead and say, in addition to that, is you want to come over to what is known as WordPress codex. And if you can see here, all you really got to do is just go to your search engine and type in WordPress codex, right? So what is WordPress codex? That is WordPress's official online manual, okay, for looking up different things. You can look up troubleshooting steps, you can look up articles, you can look up a lot of different things, right? You're not going to remember the name because I believe the official name is codex.wordpress.com or what have you. So if you just go to your search engine and type in WordPress codex, you usually can find it, and then you just go ahead and right click on it or click on it. It'll take you to that site. And this is it right here. So as you can see up here in the address box, it says codex.wordpress.org. This is a very good place to come and find out information about WordPress. Again, whether or not you're a developer or just a regular user who's going to pay a developer, this is a really good place to find information. Okay. So the only other thing, what happens if you get an error and you want to research it real quick? You want to research it so that you can give to your developer, or you are the developer. Um, I have down here some examples of WordPress errors. You know, you got error establishing database, error server side, error, host connection error, and WordPress parse or syntax error. I'm only going to go over one. This seems to me to be one of the most common errors, which is this one right here at the top. Error establishing a database connection, right? So let me go ahead and move this out the way. What you can do is you can go to your search engine again, and as you can see, I already got it typed out here for easy convenience. And you can just type in WordPress error establishing a database connection, right? You do a search for that, and most of you guys know how a search engine works, and you'll come up with some articles on different ways of troubleshooting it. Just choose whichever one you want. One of the best ones that I think for troubleshooting WordPress is either, like I said, the WordPress codex, excuse me, or there's also the YouTube. You can also search for it there. There's also Stack Overflow. They have some good articles on troubleshooting steps and different errors, right? Or you can go back to the codex. You can come over here. You'll see a little search icon, and you can type the message in here, right? And then just press on search or press enter, and you'll see an article right there, right? And just go through the different articles, see if you can figure out what the problem is. That's a good way of troubleshooting your issues. So I thought I would bring that up in this video and let people know about that. So in closing, if you would like your own free WordPress website, you could just come to my WordPress site, which is m69y.com. Go over here to services, and from here you can get you a free WordPress website. If you are interested in more of my free videos on WordPress training or any other type of training as far as WordPress, Linux, open source, what have you, you can go to my YouTube channel, which is, this is me right here on Max, and you can get there by doing the @MaxPCGuy, and then that'll take you to my channel. So thank you very much. I appreciate you guys looking at my video. I hope you have a good day or night wherever you are. Please like and subscribe, and have a good day. Bye-bye.